Wow, I have never seen a place like this. Everything is bright, even at night.
It feels like we are inside a colorful dream. Tokyo close and always full of energy, we must stay together.
Wow, I have never seen a place like this. Everything is bright, even at night.
It feels like we are inside a colorful dream.
Stay close. In a place like this, we must stay together. Wait, please stop. I heard something small.
I didn't hear it. What was it? It sounded like a little cry.
Let's check carefully. Oh no, it's just a little puppy.
It looks so scared and alone. Move slowly, don't frighten it.
Let Leo handle it.
He likes you, Leo.
Hey, it's okay. We are here to help you.
I think it understands. Your voice is calm, that helps.
You're doing well, Leo. I will hold you carefully.
It looks very weak.
Support its body. You're safe now.
It is shaking a lot. It is cold and wet.
I will use my hoodie.
Good idea.
This will keep you warm.
It stopped shaking a little. Kindness makes a difference.
Every small action helps.
Someone must be looking for this dog.
Yes, maybe they are worried.
We start asking people.
Helping means finishing the job.
Excuse me, do you know this dog? No, I'm sorry.
Oh,
We keep trying.
Wait, there is something written on the collar.
is it the dog's name?
Yes, it says Hoshi.
That is very helpful. Now we have a clue.
Good. Names help us find people. We now have a name. That changes everything.
We can ask people about Hoshi.
That makes it easier. Yes, we move step by step.
Let's go find some locals.
Look, it is looking somewhere. Maybe it remembers where it came from.
Animals follow memory.
Let's follow that direction.
Okay, Hoshi, show us the way.
I think it wants to go home.
Stay alert.
We follow carefully.
This place feels different.
It is quieter here.
Small streets are easier to search.
Stay focused.
This road looks dangerous.
There are too many cars.
We wait for the signal.
Safety first.
Stay close. Do not rush.
I am holding the puppy tightly.
I won't let go.
We move together.
Oh no, it is raining.
The puppy will get cold again.
We must find shelter.
Look for a shop or roof. This is better.
The puppy feels warmer.
We protect it first.
Then we continue.
Bandib Kalabi continue.
Then go. So
Wait, look at this poster.
it shows a dog.
That looks like Hoshi.
This is important.
It says Lost Dog Hoshi.
That is the same name.
There is an address.
Now we know where to go.
We can find the owner now.
This is good news.
Yes, we are close.
Let's move. We must go quickly.
The owner is waiting.
Stay focused.
We are doing the right thing.
This does not look right.
Are we lost?
Wait, let me check.
Stay calm.
Okay, I think we go this way. Really? Let's go.
Yay.
We took the wrong street.
Oh no.
It's okay.
We correct it. We will not give up.
Yes, we keep going.
Helping others takes patience.
Exactly. Hoshi is looking again.
Maybe this way. Let's trust it. Follow carefully.
This feels more like a home area. Yes, not like the big streets.
We are getting closer.
Stay hopeful. Someone is awake.
Maybe they know the dog.
Let's ask politely.
Be respectful. This matches the address. We found it.
Good work, everyone. Let's knock. I hope this is the right place.
I feel nervous. What if it's not?
We try. That is what matters.
Stay calm. We did our best.
Yes. How can I help you? We found a dog. Is it yours?
It was alone in the city. Oh, the poor thing. It's not mine.
Hoshi, is that really you? His name is Hoshi, right?
Yes.
I have been searching all day. I was so worried.
We found him near the station. He was scared, but he is safe now.
Hoshi! You came back to me!
He is very brave.
And very lucky. Thank you so much. You helped my family. We just wanted to help.
Kindness is important.
He ran away during the noise of the city.
He was very scared.
Cities can be overwhelming. Even strong animals can feel fear. That is why we help them. And stay patient.
Please come inside for a moment.
Thank you.
It looks warm.
This place feels so peaceful.
A warm home makes a big difference.
Especially after a long journey.
I feel happy now.
Me too.
Helping brings peace. He looks calm now.
He trusts you.
He is home. You gave me hope today.
Hope is powerful.
We are glad we helped.
Stay safe.
Goodbye, Hoshi. Goodbye, Sophia. Thank you again.
The city feels different now.
Because you made a difference.
What do you think about today?
Helping others gives meaning. Even small actions matter.
That's right.
This was the best part of the trip.
Kindness is always the best adventure.
Yeah, and the lights are so pretty.
It really is magical.
We stayed together.
And helped together.
The city is still bright.
But now it feels warmer.
We helped someone today,
Always remember this.
and that matters.
Helping feels good.
Everything feels calm now after helping the dog.
Yes, I feel happy inside.
That feeling comes from doing something good.
Kind actions always stay with you. Listen, the music is beautiful. It makes the moment feel special. Every city has its own rhythm.
And tonight, we are part of it.
I was scared at first when I saw the puppy. But you chose to help.
Courage is doing something even when you feel unsure.
Yeah. I want to help animals like you.
We can all help together.
Helping is something we learn as a family. Look at the lights on the ground. It looks like stars. Even the ground shines in this city. I feel warm even though it is night.
Kindness warms the heart.
That feeling is real.
Hoshi looked so happy with his owner.
That made everything worth it.
Helping someone return home is special.
I want to help more animals in the future. You can, if you keep this heart.
Kindness grows with practice.
We solve this together.
Yes, as a team. Family makes everything stronger.
I will remember this night.
Moments like this stay with us.
They teach us who we are. We started there and now everything changed.
Every journey changes us.
But I like who we're becoming.
Me too. It's an adventure. I am proud of you. Thank you. I just wanted to help.
This was better than any game!
Real-life adventures are the best.
I don't feel tired anymore.
Because your heart is full.
Remember this lesson.
Help when you can. And do it with kindness. Kindness connects people. And it changes the world. Even small actions matter. This city is so big, but kindness makes it feel smaller.
Where will we go next?
Anywhere, together.
Today we helped a friend.
And that is what matters.
We will always help. That is who we are.
Kindness leads the way. Always.